You're in the market, the US market, for a Pocket 3. Or would you want a camera that has no warranty? And send it back to the seller to get it warranted, can you? Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the channel. I'm with the Insta360 Luna Ultra. I don't have a Pocket 3 to compare, but I got an extra Muse I can. The extra Muse costs $235, give or take, if you know where to look for the coupon. And is a no-brainer to get like 3 or 4 of them for the price of one Insta360 Luna Ultra. Not yet and ready to compare it to the Luna Ultra. Maybe tomorrow or the next day. Still, I have not had this camera in my hands more than a week's time. And I do like the camera, and I am shooting in 4K, 30 frames, low light, without it enabled in video mode. All those people, preliminary, pre-testers, had the camera before it was released. Did they get this firmware updated yet? Saying that the zoom was hesitant and clipping and all those issues they think the camera had. And now on the market, everyone wants firmware to fix issues. Well, if you're looking for an Insta360 Luna Ultra, you may want to wait for firmware to come out that can correct whatever issues people are reporting. And then you can make a decision if the camera is right for you. Or just go get it and hope the firmware has fixed the issues that you find. For me, I am enjoying my camera, and that is what I am doing. I'm out here waiting for the sunrise. What a beautiful shot of the clouds reflecting off the water. Now you're able to see it. There's always a seagull flying, always a plane in the air, always a boat tied to the side. If you see the cloud formation, grab that shot because you're never going to get that same exact shot again. Now let's see if I could just tilt my camera down and you can see how beautiful that picture will be. I have DJI products and I like them. And I have Insta360 products and I like them too. I also got extra products, and as well, I like them as well. Now, I can't tell you today to go out and go get a DJI because what we have with extra is a 2-year warranty. With Insta360, we don't get a 2-year warranty. We get only a 1-year warranty. Seems to be a mighty fine reason and a good reason why the boat is tied to the side. Like having a warranty. Something happens, you want to have that warranty. And having a 2-year warranty over a 1 year is mighty better than having a 90-day warranty. I'm still early, and the Sahara dust is probably still around and making that sun so red in the morning. And the molecules, man, and the heat feel like I am in the desert. I'm gonna not wait any longer. I'm just gonna get on the bike and continue riding. I missed him. By the time I got focused on him, he went in. My last vlog, I grabbed a couple of these flowers to zoom in, to focus in. And I wasn't spot on. They're orangish. As you can see, different shades of orange with a little pinkish in there. The cats just love hanging out in the middle. I'm not tracking him. I'm just zoomed in and riding forward. As I start to zoom out, oh, there goes another cat, ran across. and following. I'm able to do that. This block is loaded with cats. Whew. Somebody left the air conditioner on. And I could pull up a park bench and stay here a while. We have a vessel that's been out off the shore. I was going to say at sea, off the shore, and just docked over there. Did you see that bird, the seagull, just dive in the water? How about the sun starting to rise over here? The importance of getting out there and fishing in the water, as well as swimming. The beach is getting cleaning, and this guy is just going in different ways. So I want to be able to track him. Now he's turning back around, just to go pick some stuff up. Couldn't walk there. Just amazing what we leave behind. I'm looking at the camera for the screen. It's in my hand. And we got the sun going to rise right where the paddleboard courts are at. So if I kind of like zoom in and I kind of get myself situated in the shot, and maybe you'll see the sun come up. I don't want to turn the camera that much. There we go. Beautiful shot indeed right there. I can't sit this down. If Insta360 was smart enough and they would have put something embedded like a tilt, a leg, like they thought about the legs on the bottom of the handle. That would have been awesome, that I could have it sit down and be able to do things, be able to zoom and this and that. And that's the beauty of 3D printing. I wish I had a 3D printer. I wouldn't know how to use it. I wouldn't know where to begin. And hearing all the pros and cons of 3D printing. Hearing that gases when you print can kill you, that you gotta vent it outside. That little mini 3D printer, man, it's the death of you. How's that color of the sky coming out? It's just about there. I think what I'm gonna go do is let it ride. Let it ride, fish. It's the perfect time that the vessel is lit up, but it's too far away for me to pick it up. What I've noticed with the Insta360 Luna Ultra, this is not blinking. It's not blinking at all. Is it blinking there for you? It sure is through the picture. It's scrolling up and up and up. The neon signs that I saw in the Luna Park, they weren't going on, off, on, off. They were solid on. So you have to think about setting up your camera to prevent that. 4K 30 is not that setting. This is 4K 24. What does 4K 24 look like? The same thing. And if I go back in my editor and I load up my video when I'm going from 1 inch to 1.1/3 inch zooming, I'm going from 29.97 to 30 frames per second, back and forth. This is 4K 25. It's still the same as 4K 23.96, and that's still flickering. And that sun is just about up there. I know shutter speed. Get into your shutter speed, adjust it. But this is 4K 48. Still flickering in the screen. I'm going to go back to 4K 30 because I'm vlogging. I'm not showing action. I don't know where shutter speed's at. I can't find it. I'm not going to start to worry about where it's at. I'm going to miss the shot. I thought it'd be an exposure value next to ISO. You just click on the upper left. I can't see a light and a light background. You don't make black on black, white on white, yellow on yellow. You make the opposite colors. Foreground bright, background dark, or vice versa. Not identical. That's the way companies are, and they've been that way. You get something like here, and you want to see the logo, and it's white on white. That's the best color in the world. Not at all. You can't see black on black how to hit a button. It's all memory of the brain, buddy. Well, that's my highlight of the talk. I'm heading back. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. I got to go meet up with Joe. And I do got to take care of some beeswax. The colors do pop. And I'm not on any ND filters. Setting up and getting ready for barbecue. Come early, get your spot. And be in that heat wave, not me. Scrap. Seagulls. What would you rather do? Clean up? Or just go party? How am I supposed to get across? They got everything blocked. Even the strings. I wanted to grab this shot the other day. And I'm going to zoom in on the pedals. Here we go. Now, how you like that shot? If I get off of it and start to get down to the next one by leaving it as is, does it keep it in focus? It sure does. And what if I start to just move in a little? And how about when I move out and then zoom out? That is a enjoyable shot. Even a snowball bush, it makes it look blue. And then more on the purplish side, I want to say. Blue purplish. And how about the large daisies? And they got seeds right there. Oh, I'm not going. Your friends are there. The black cat. Yeah. He's waiting for you. Well, enjoy your camera. If the Insta360 Luna Ultra is the one for you. I'm waiting to hear somebody out there, not losing. Oh, I flipped the screen and it don't flip back. It broke. Oh, we're gonna hear that one day. And on that note, I'll see you on the next video.